Unleash the true power of your data by learning how to create interactive and flexible dashboards using Tableau parameters. First, navigate to the data pane on the left side of your Tableau workspace and click the drop-down arrow in the upper right corner. Select Create Parameter. The Create Parameter dialog box will appear. Give your parameter a descriptive name, such as Select Sales Target, and then choose the appropriate data type. For sales, let's select Float. In the Allowable Values section, choose List so you can define specific target options. Now, manually add the different sales targets you want your users to choose from, like 500,000, 750,000, and 100,000. Great! Now, right-click on your newly created parameter in the data pane and select Show Parameter Control. Next, create a calculated field that utilizes is parameter, perhaps to highlight regions exceeding the selected sales target. Finally, you can also use your parameter in a filter. Drag the dimension you want to filter to the filter shelf, and in the Filter dialog box, select Condition and then by Formula. You can then create a formula that references your newly created parameter, enabling interactive filtering.